What it do, squad? If you like flat cars, sassy women, custom bikes, you're definitely in the right spot. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the lit content, and keep rocking with your boy. Let's get it, squad. Squad.
Sit.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. And he got to make a bed.
Finn. F-I-N-N.
Ben?
Yeah, when he was born, he had 5 spots on him.
Oh, okay. Hi.
I know all the dogs like, man, get me the fuck out of here.
You got your bike out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's over there by Ron.
Okay. Where they parked at?
Over there, see, kind of hard to take, but right there in that corner over there.
Back over there. Okay. Now, I know y'all don't know, but several videos ago, I got this guy on my video. One of my more successful videos. He got one of the baddest bikes in the world. Forget Chicago, in the world. I'm gonna make sure I get over there to see it. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna put the camera on this dog one more again. Finn, my boy. Look at that head. So what is the breed of
French Bulldog?
a French Bulldog? Because I've been seeing a lot of these lately.
They're real popular. A lot of celebrities and everything got them.
Yeah.
See, this one here, he's special. Cause he ain't scared.
Oh, you say
He ain't scared. You know what I'm saying?
you say he's special. Huh? You say he ain't scared, huh?
He ain't wrapped too tight, man.
Hey, he's trying to get it.
He gonna protect his daddy, you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Yeah, he gonna protect his daddy.
so how much one of those you go for?
Oh, it all depends on the breed, the breeder, and these are like show dogs.
No, yeah.
So people put them in the shows, and like depends on how they stance, their coat. Like his coat, it start off light and it fade dark with a black trim.
Word. I see that. I see that. Can y'all see that?
Fade?
Yeah, I see that. It almost look black right here. Wow.
All that stuff
Matters, word. Yeah.
The more unique, the better.
Yeah, well, no. Sometimes the more unique, the more it's not really natural.
A natural breed.
Yeah.
Right. We just seen an Oreo. He was Oreo color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, some of those are burnt. Some of them are. A lot of people don't know that.
Right.
You gotta do your research on it.
Yeah.
Or buy from a respectable breed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they reign, they get up there.
Yeah.
They get up there.
Yeah.
And that's what I wanted. My kids wanted a dog. I didn't want no little ankle biter, and I didn't want no German Shepherd.
And see, that's what I'm fighting with, because she got a little dog, and I like big. I want a rock.
Yeah, see.
And she got, but I want
I
something.
don't want to pick up that big shit, you know what I'm saying? That's my thing. So I went medium size. Actually, Ron breeds.
Is that
I
right?
got this from Ron's baby.
I did not know that.
Yeah. He tied me.
And he out here too?
Yeah, he out there.
He got a dog out
He
here?
got his mama.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get over there to see him.
Look
Man,
here.
hey, you the man.
see you, bro.
Always great seeing you. I know they.
It's hot though.
Yeah.
But he's quick.
And look, that's exactly what he was talking about, the stands of them.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I got one.
Oh, do you?
I got a boy.
You ain't bring him out here?
Hot.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm on food.
As well, so I'm gonna try to get as many of the pooches. So look at this. Oh my goodness. Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, man. Hey, say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube. Oh my goodness. I wanna grab your jaws. How y'all doing? Hey, make sure y'all check me out on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. I'm getting all cars, bikes, and dogs. So yeah, man, what is his name and what is his breed? And wait, say it again. Do you mind being on YouTube? No, you don't mind. Okay.
So bags, Versace bloodline.
Okay. So do you have any social media that you want to shout out?
Y'all hit me on Facebook, Darius Park G. Boston. I love you.
Darius Barton Foster. All right, that's what it do. So do you breed? Okay. Oh my goodness, look at him. Woo. So I know he's entered into the dog competition, no? Okay. So when are they gonna do a? They already done picked the winner? Really?
It was like just my
Wow. I done seen a Doberman pincher. I done seen all.
everybody has the little one with her painted nails so far.
Somebody had a painted nail. So a girl with some painted nails. Wow. She should have bought her dog. Another dog. Man, some A lot of so I'm trying to get all the dogs on there. He look good too. Look at that head. Woo. Yes, sir. So cool. Like he don't want to be on camera. He turned his back on me. What's up, my man? Hey, I'm getting all the dogs as well as the cars and the bikes on the channel. Make sure you check me out. How old is he? 5 months. Hey, he just gave me a cold shoulder. I came over there, put the camera in his face. He got up.
So he turned right around.
He's turning right around, gave me the cold shoulder. That's what it is. He look good too, man. That's what. Yup. Hey, what's the name, fam?
Dynamic Bullies.
Hey, you wanna shout out any social media?
Follow me at Dynamic Bullies on Instagram.
Okay, that's what he do on Instagram. So you breed?
I'm starting. This is my startup. Right?
Okay, that's what he do.
This the foundation I'm laying down right.
So that's your stud. You got a little chick.
Nah, not yet, man. I'm looking for him.
Okay, that's what he do. Hey, I'm sure you're gonna find somebody out here with a girl.
Definitely.
He look good. Yup. And I know he ain't ready yet, but when he ready,
He's ready. He's gonna be ready for sure.
I can tell. Look how he laying. Yeah,
He's ready. He's gonna be ready.
He ain't ready yet. He still lay like a baby. He'll be ready though. Hey, you the man. Look at.